Key points to understand. Partnership with Elan Financial Services. Northern Trust's credit cards are issued and managed through a partnership with Elan Financial Services. Therefore, you won't directly apply through Northern Trust itself. Focus on wealth management clients. Northern Trust primarily focuses on wealth management and private banking clients. Their credit card offerings are often tied to these relationships. Simple steps to inquire and apply, if eligible. 1. Contact your Northern Trust relationship manager. If you are a client, if you are an existing wealth management client of Northern Trust, the first and most direct step is to speak with your relationship manager. They can provide you with information about the specific credit card options available to you and guide you through the application process with Elan. 2. Visit the Northern Trust website. Go to the official Northern Trust Bank USA website. Look for sections related to banking services or wealth management. While they may not have a dedicated credit card application page, you might find information about their offerings or contact details for inquiries. 3. Contact Northern Trust's client services. Use the contact information provided on the Northern Trust website, phone numbers or contact forms, to inquire about their credit card options. Explain your interest in applying for a credit card and ask about the eligibility requirements and the application process through Elan Financial Services. 4. Potentially apply through Elan Financial Services directly, if guided by Northern Trust. Northern Trust may direct you to Elan Financial Services website or provide you with a specific application link or form. If so, you will follow Elan's application process, providing your personal and financial information. Important considerations. Eligibility. Northern Trust's credit cards are typically offered as part of their broader wealth management services. Eligibility might be tied to your investment portfolio or banking relationship with them. Specific card details. The features and benefits of the Northern Trust credit cards will be determined by the specific card offered through their partnership with Elan Financial Services. Your relationship manager can provide these details. In summary, if you are a Northern Trust wealth management client, your primary point of contact for applying for a credit card is your relationship manager. If you are not yet a client, you will need to contact Northern Trust directly to inquire about their credit card offerings and the application process through Elan Financial Services.